Hi, this is B from Sorcery Soap again, and this is an additional video from the original Patreon video that will be posted. And I mentioned these stencils, and then I started looking around and realized I don't know what I did with them. So I might be getting a little ahead of myself on things. I'm gonna try and slow down with the ideas for a bit and organize myself. And I'm tired, I think, and I have a lot of stuff going on in my head, and I've been doing a lot of things. So anyway, I will continue. So I mentioned some other bats because I had in the first posted video, I had these other bats, the icon bats. Let me see if I can find them real quick so you can see the difference. And yes, I have lots and lots of ideas, and sorting through and organizing means I might need to hire an assistant someday. Just to say, I'll keep creating, you sort and organize. And my guy has his own thing going on, so he's not the person to do that. Oh, here we go. So these are the two bats, the two different types of bat stencils. These are more iconic and sort of Batman-like, and these are the flock of bats. And this is why the woman that I work with at my stencil supplier is so awesome, because I just ripped off an email saying, I don't think I got the proof for the bat group, and I can't find it, and I gave her all this information, and then I have to write her back and say, my fault. Yes, I totally have them, I just misplaced them because I'm a dork. Anyway. And she just takes it all in stride. She's like, yeah, I don't know what she thinks, but she's awesome. We've talked on the phone a couple times, and she has a great personality, a great countenance to her. But anyway, so these are the bats, and these are really fun. And then I said I had a house leaf. Oh, and here's the echinacea again. So let me get to that. Oh, so here are not that one. Here are the two houses. You can see. This is the traditional house, which I really like. I liked them both. That's why I wanted them both. I couldn't settle on one. I figured, well, it's better to have choice. And since I already worked them out and created them, maybe you have a bigger bar and you want a bigger house, or this was just a tick smaller, not much. No, actually, it's about the same size. It's just a little bit different shaped. So anyway, there you go for that. The botanicals. The other dragon, so there's going to be 4 dragons, the circle dragon, the flying pear, I think 4, am I right? See, I'm getting ahead of myself again. Let me find those and you can see them all. Here's the pear, and here's the circle. Oh yes, and the curved. Yep. Okay. So we have the circle dragon, which is quite awesome. Sorry, I'm not on camera. Circle dragon, curved dragon, pair of dragons, and then the iconic dragon, which I call him Dragon 33 because it's not how many designs I made, it's just what I happen to call it. Although I did make a ton of designs. And let's see what else. Oh, and then we also have a husky this time, because I got some requests for the dog husky, which I really liked. And I discovered this is a little bit too big, and so they're going to make it a bit smaller for me so it'll fit. And the goal is to fit on the smallest bar soap so that it'll suit every other bar of soap. Anyway, and then there's that. So that's all good. And anyway, this is just an adjunct, so you can see all the stencils, and you can see, show you this. I'll show you. These are 2 of each. So I think there's 55 here, 55 designs, and they're 2 of each. And that's just 2 of each. So yeah, we did some stencils. And this is only the 2nd order. I have a 3rd one in queue right now, and I'm working on the 4th. So when all this is done and said, we should have just shy of 200 designs of stencils. So you should be able to find something that you really like from these unique and curated stencils. So anyway, that's what I wanted to clarify. Okay, thanks. Bye.